Except, well, it doesn't one-shot everything. Like, it doesn't do
Just
700
heard a
damage.
dino. What?
Oh, you heard the dino in a dinosaur game. What would have thought?
No. I thought I heard one, but I don't know where he's.
Oh yeah, now the trees are actually falling over. They were disappearing earlier for me.
Guess I'll fix that bug. What do you mean, why are they fighting you? It's their job.
You're stealing kills.
I'm the Spinal.
Oh. Probably just accidental friendly fire.
No, they were following me and biting me, all of them.
Damn.
I don't know, because I have like no reach.
I'm coming
Oh
from.
my god, the
I can see trees being
trees.
destroyed.
The trees falling over.
The trees actually falling over is actually pretty cool. Except for when they lose all structure.
I don't mind it honestly.
Seeing the wood and everything, but not
Oh, no damage? Okay, bad.
I'm not afraid and I'm going to die.
No, die!
That's not what I wanted to
So many before you. Die, be gone. Oh, I'm dying actually. Oh no. Oh, well, I'm dying. Oh no. Die. No! Where was my health badge? Where was the Spinos?
Spino's still stuck.
Spinal cannot get up. The thing is, you can bite, but you cannot move.
I know. Fighting is got nothing to do with it.
Like you just did circles and you missed like crazy.
Alright, well, I can become Tyrant again anyway, so.
I see him.
No, stop that! Stop that!
No!
I got him! Yes! 400 HP to spare! Oh, and now this is where I die.
What has been fixed?
My kill.
What?
Yes.
I'm gonna just.
Fuck.
Man, I really want Draco.
I like how a single bullet does like 40 damage.
Oh god.
Damn it!
Oh, I do. Okay. Yeah, Trudon is like a lot more fun to play than Moros.
Morris is kind of broken currently, I think. You cannot hit very well.
Yeah. Well, Trudons actually have a stable hitbox. Stable. I said stable. Keyword stable. It's still pretty broken.
Funny, but broken.
Oh, I actually died.
Green chat.
You stole my stole my kill and I didn't even get an assist.
I like how we're not even focusing on killing people, it's just, you stole my kill!